mbekwa meche ya the other way around of trase Matthias Ezeaku nwa something. Ịpụta gị kpụrụ a prophet n'ọnụ, gị kpụrụ a prophet as if anwụtara gị at that moment ịjụọ isi lala. Ya m jile ekwu nwe wụsị gị jiri dị nwayọ before obi awụọ gị chen. Jiri dị nwayọ before obi awụọ gị chen. Good evening, everyone. Always Skibo, Alajimbo, Memboji, Watakare Mpara, Miawumbi, say, Ezinite to be prepared last mono vuto, Onyo Menamarana. Umunamelo to Numekureni. I thank God for today. I really thank God for today. There is a promise I fulfilled today, and I'm so happy. For those of you who has been following me, this promise. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon from wherever you are watching me from. Before my birthday, I could data actually students over school. Locker, I will buy them locker. Today can measure. And I did those things from the gift and the love you people showed me on my birthday, which is November 5th. So I was happy today doing that, seeing those kids smiling and happy. It's a thing of joy to me. It's a thing of joy to me. So I want to thank each and every one of you who always support me. Okay. Who always support me. I really appreciate. Without you people, I'm nothing. You people are the only family I have. So another thing I want to talk about is some people have been sending me links of videos people are doing online. If you are big, you are big. And one thing I know is that no man or any woman can bring that person down. My brother, I don't know the problem you have with Prophet Ebuka Obi. Matthias Ezeaku Ejiofor. Among problem you were with Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Obi jila boge kekeke. Wo ehono hala ene azene nwoti ji nupere eni. Matthias azen. Ya diga sivu sile kofu. Yam jile kunwe wosege jiri di wayo before bi awoge chen. Jiri di wayo before bi awoge chen. I don't know. I'm live video. I'm azeno. Matthias says I've taken my time to study your program. Because I go and so many with this charity today. It's on one of the people after drag it. Yes. After drag him that I refuse to help one man like that. The time you wrote me, you reached out to me when I was in Dubai. I told you I don't do charity. But you came out, you fabricated the story that I blocked you. What I watched your video At the same time, you are old enough to be my father, Matthias Ezeaku. You are old enough. Brother, good afternoon or good morning. Skibo. Ishi. I want to ask you, Matthias Ezeaku. As in thank God say man hawokwa Chineke o, my people. Thank God say man no be God. If man na God, owo hikata ọrụ to ya akwụpụ ndụ anyị. Owo hikata ọrụ like this. Yoso no onye live ole too much ma akwụpụ ngi ga-ezu ike. Sometimes mjekwa meche ya the other way around. Ofutara say Matthias Ezeaku nwa something. Ipụta gị kpụrụ a prophet n'ọnụ, gị kpụrụ a prophet as if anwụtara gị at that moment ịjụọ isi lala. I won't condemn you. Are doing a good work by that humanitarian in you help people with your platform. I really appreciate you for that, because it's dig easy. You see anybody that bring out his or her time to use his platform to help somebody, it's not easy. Respect that person. But in your case, Matthias, in the other way around, something Evangelist Ebuka Obi like this. Ya digi sage barodo. Ho froge we barodo. Matthias asim gi. Matthias says share him this live video, because I don't video him. Share him this live video. In as much as you are telling the truth, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Ya di ho froge we barodo. Wunemo. Onye chimedere eze hosraga amulela amulala dekela amuda onye kurieni hosraga amulelu amulala adikela amuda owu Skibo ala jimbo memgbe oji nwatakịrị mpara amụ ya wu Mbaise amụ onye kurieni onye chukwu mere eze ihe osoro unu kọ onye chukwu mere eze onye I don't know how you people see God. Onye Chineke werela aka tụkwasa n'isi ya. Ho soro unu amulelu amulala. Adekela amuda. My father la agwa m sem onye la adi hovu adi ho la akụwa. My anger is why miracle the prophet a doggy. Most of you following me here know how I and my friend Flying Angel and the Light Music, how we struggled to make sure that girl God in heaven will bear me witness. We went from Aba, we went to Calabar. My first time to visit Calabar. I stayed in Calabar for days. And how she was crying. First doctor said again. Second doctor in Calabar, I say again. That this issue is something I wouldn't follow from what is small. That I got the hope garade. I saw how she cried. I know how I consoled her. Now my anger is first, after we came back from Calabar, she said that she wants to go to Zion. She spoke to me, that Skibo, that she wants to go to Zion, that I should take him there. But I believe that Chineke not there. With things I see online, with testimonies people they online. I believe that God is there. But tomorrow I got to Benombo. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is not a man you can access easily. My anger with miracle, you saw a prophet, you didn't rush him, you didn't grab him. Biko, mera mukamhozo. By the grace of God, o meriela ọnwa agụrụ. By the grace of God, o meriela ọnwa. Get where you need help. You need what kind of help? Look at your sister. Itiwe anya aha iji gaa Calabar. Itiga anya aha ikogbaria ihe niile ahụ. You didn't focus on that eye first. Now you know when Amamotunu Jeho anointing, but I believe one day the man was in spirit and he was ready to deliver. But I didn't know can give say cripple man, what do you need? You say your Benz. Why didn't you? She went without telling me. Why didn't you tell the man of God? Chineke mepe file gị igbu oge asachi ya sape nke onye ọzọ 2 seconds. 2 seconds. So you people dragging Evangelist Ebuka Obi, onye ka na drag, onye ka na drag, onye ka na drag ya. Mpam gbara m sị onye Chineke tere mmanụ, onye Chineke vuliri elu, ha sọrọ na amụla elu amụla ala dị kulu na amụta amụta. Amụ onye kpuru ya dị. Onye la adịghị ofu adịghị ọla akụwa. Ngotara la Bible asị Chineke gafewa ma onye ka asị gara metụ ọnụ uwe ya aka kwene. Ọnụ uwe ya. Now, ma bịa obere na onye ke hụtara Chineke ya agafe ya metụ ọnụ uwe ya aka. And now start to think. Onye magodi struggle onye struggle before ya bịa fọziri ya na ọwụ ọnụ uwe ya nke ọ bịara metụ aka. Ajoya, what do you want? Yeah, go straight to the point. The man of God has said, next time, when I ask you what you want, go straight to the point. I don't know. Matthias, half of Maka, Abela, Emotalid onye, you are Mogibo, as a Mpa. Ugo babe, mommy, I see you. Remain blessed. Matthias Ezeaku, half goof. Eletram live video ke him by I know him link. Now watch with him chiwa. I lived in Dubai. Elona Dubai. America. Now my brother, if you don't believe, I believe from them when the Chineke kechara natural power. And when the Chineke kechara natural power. Enwere ụmụ nwaanyị Chineke kechara nye ha natural. Enwe nwaanyị wụ nwaanyị bepụrụ ga akwa anya mmiri akwa ma nwaanyị gwa gị okwu. Enwe ndị we ha kwu okwu na ndụ gị ya emenwa. If you haven't seen ahonam, that's why I believe in spiritual stuff. One day, half Ebuka Obi. Inu no Ebuka Obi no nwela agoge no itifu no fraga we gbara ọtọ ma lele gị today go tije nwuta gela adajasa skibo how where the one crew no more as no how some of you am every mo as one while he lo his uno my good afternoon Unu broche like this. All I won't look at that way. I watch and I him chewa. Attire half Skibo. leave me. Give half Banebu. Eho Kembe, Matthias, let me tell you something, Igbo. Vudo. Manana si Kembe Bidro Ebuka Obi Ishi. A look is set our. Have you noticed that? Kembe Ivru Loche, Bobble Ivru again on Oya Ebuka Obi. And no can't be equal. Bobble Ebuka Obi, Abelo Ebuka Obi, Mbede Ebuka Obi. Manana si Kembe him when he noticed set our home. Badi kill not this year, Skibo not this year set our house. Ishi gila kwa mwewu ingivu nwoke ibegilishi ihe oforo wo kirimba wishe gbagilishi ingivu nwoke ibegilishi hafu maka from year to year unenwe ike hai Yes, half for my car, half from leave me. All I will like at your life for some time. Master, deal like a supply wagon when only I did teach me to a regular like a cream. When you deal like a supply or a guy, a mamma miss when we also when go time way for that live video. One frog away, but Ibu katara gị ikpufu okpu ma nwee lọchi. I love your work you are doing. Onye ọbụla na-eji page ya. See, despite ara niile gbawa Matthias, una echefukwala so ji page ya arụwa. He's doing a good job with his page. Una echefula despite hara ya niile ihe ọgba the only thing dị nwere ile mere onye ihe ile echeta ya ekpere ekpere ile ekpekwele ekpere gị la cast bind that dealer supply believe si nwoke ibe meji anya. How will you even to oche gị ya wuru nwoke ibe gị won gị la atọchasị ya nwa uwe bi say I believe him Chineke we be say we as an equestrian mota like anyị nwere ebiri m kwaro ị gara kwaro go school ma ị nwere ebiri m n'ụlọ ifuru oche like this gị kporo gị la gị sim si hu awu goof aṅụ gị sim si hu awu goof aṅụ Skibo, shut up. Which pastor does miracle in Dubai? But some of you know, some of the onye Igbo commentary shut up. Which pastor does miracle in Dubai? Onye Igbo, awuro na Asia. Onye Igbo nwekwere otu onye Ndi aji ala ọrụ. Will believe so I don't know how you people when you onye Chineke bulere elu no happier. The man is a prophet. He may like ya gi gbuwara ya. Ele ihe no ihe gbasara nwoke ibe ga ala afụ gị sị. Adịdị onye nshi ekwu adịdị nshi karịrị ka ị nọrọ gịla eche nwoke ibe gị. Do your Omenala. I mepere church. I didn't find I'm your top fan. I want to be the program. I'm always there. Mala Uranya. Ekwe Matthias. Focus on that your Ezeaku Land, Ezeaku Bozolando, or whatsoever. Your city like Ike. Yoshi ike ya uru keke la pepe somebody will be so yesi de la kagini. Yoshi chileki ike. Awu amranam sit and the Evangelist Ebuka Obi emrano tiji in when they BP but you don't know. In when they heart attack you don't know. Akwele came lewe which day somebody jikweni this electric motor that's Masi ele heko no me awo Matthias awo Matthias fenti erun awo Matthias fenti erun. Immediately I saw that video, somebody she said ele control here she dey. I saw Vuta Soloji see a happy birthday. I say uno charinya this man a BP Matthias I will humble again because you have not spoken. I will humble again. I wish Sila have a new cool. How many? Let me ask you. How many came in on this Facebook or on Twitter? How many on your femano? Then I wanna bruloche. Na to chashi onye ofemani beya. No one you go. Can be used where this your Facebook. Bam. Like nde ofemano or onyugu bruloche. Ona mleketuno sometimes the man at you not. I dey laugh because some things when they na demo are funny. I dey use them catch cruise. Why don't you call Ebuka to go and fight that your page? When they am to put up one good page awo. More ika walam. I don't give them my fellow guy man. And they hear this thing you with them no nya my fellow guy as in fellow young man. Since 1 year, you can't abamara with the nigga know there. If to say cheesy they reply me or cheesy they pick my call. Una no go hear this matter. Or that call. Which you people should go and ask them how experience this because during that period all are driving in a group. They know the page here. Joton na mention they know what I'm saying. Cheesy doesn't reply. Cheesy doesn't pick call. Oh, Cheesy na as that they call a pick call. Na kasim ke will be same no worry. I go do am. See when I go do am. See as we go do am. File wala petition mle vrum me se mle meke anya ma gbadego hu erubekule ke petition okay ga ha fi ga mefu ego mezere mo my page submit mo ID very simple apa the money potakwa na you go collect percentage you get were 20% ginyem the remaining. Why are you just first? My kingdom be where man this nigga debem, but in the reply people where as an Ndi Igbo here basara metronobi nanam number ya there in the reply them, but kimbo them some mambe who could random mina kwa woki begi Jesus because some Arab and we don't do okay low tiger me get up video down we don't do ma potapa no si page ma de lamma. But I just obam Katie came back. Some of my colleagues, my senior men at the top, and my advice say, stop calling him out for now. Nji pipe olo si mele no magariota ne cause all wire. Ojo get in jaka so jim na amporam nne mo jim na mporam. Okay, as no jaka abo abade. Nah, my brother, I may want to mother on that page and Ezra humble press Emmanuel, but I'm see what I block. I know with people like this on a page. So, my brother, Matthias, any problem you want with Evangelist Ebuka Obi, go and settle it. And get Koshe drag him. C'est quoi mon family pastor name bele branya mad emebe my brother emi telam my help ga dibia ahona as in enwe na experience of ahunam people that have natural power, like natural real power. Maybe because I go them from wine you want a natural power. So I believe no those men of God don't have natural power that have spirit that is controlling them. Spirit gala ha wofu on hemere iko elukala, they will not reply you. Get that to your head. On hemere iko elukala, you no go see them come out to reply you. Evangelist Ebuka Obi putara ya ba kọwara gị kwa ga say that man Matthias keke ehune ngo putara even na beg. So koporom bro Matthias, koporom, you are old enough to be my father. Koporom mpa koporom koporom ebum gị n'obi ebulam n'obi. Una no stress me abeg. Ekpere mmụọ Chineke gakwa asata chapter miracle again. And them ga-achọkwa na ọsape ya na Zion ka ọnụ moon shut up. Maybe una drag wala o mere escape o mere nka he do this one. No be him yam juga will say no be him see the girl call am. No be him see. If to send the dodge am na him for do I like say no am. At least who don't know when they do run around about miracle. It go viral. It go viral. It went viral. When I mean viral, it go viral. When you go to Dubai, how many people did you see having powers there? When you go to Dubai, how many people did you see that have power there? Wow. What should I tell you now? When power ya mo pari. Come on, that is. I've mukuna love that. Person comment. Say when I did Dubai.
He said when you did Dubai.
You gave person comment say what I did Dubai. See how many people will see we get power there. I don't know. I don't know where power I'm up there. How power? On the Facebook. I wanna play my agwu. I wanna know to kandara no.
You just open mouth, they comment anyhow. They torment person with your comment.
I won't see, bro. I don't do at least by the grace of God. I able to let me again na Facebook. Like I will tell them OG na Facebook.
You learn that woman getting jakale.
Ne, we nka ama dey self na mo go dey fan ya. You know na ko go dey na too much.
That's what you get la pura. What you get more job?
Guy, musiki nda ga-eburu oche nọrọ Chineke. Unti me prank nu na contact amụ na ka e buru ya azọ gị gbara ego ma gbara ego. Ọnụ ke akwa stage na mkpara amụ na ejisiri m ike na page m.
Ebe o ji ga dị mma.
Na make una leave me abeg. Eshi m charity today. Ga akwụọrọ ụmụazị ụgwọ school ndị m zụliri locker with the love unu show yiri m. As him, God bless you people. They can never take us down. They can never bring.
Who is
No. You, if you are big, you are big. Who go? Onye na di hoover, de hon lakuwa. You struggle mo lelu. amolala adekela amoda. Now for you. Now for you. So, umunne, God bless you all. Matthias, jiri page gị nyewere ndị mmadụ aka na-emekwa ihe eziokwu na ndụ ga. One day again hụkwa m ndị a ma bịa mara kwasị ndị bi. Ama m ghọtara. So kọpọrọ m guy mana unu na-eme ofu ihe. Kọpọrọ nọ m unu niile na-erucha azụ unu niile na-ajụ unu na-agbachala ke white. Yes, now ndị agbachala ke white. Mana ha na-eme ofu ihe. So God bless you all. God bless you all. God bless you all. God bless you all. Chineke gozie unu. Kono rewakwara na mchizi. Rewana na mchizi o. Chizi biko.
Bikana ha yogo chizi.
Bahara o. Bahara nna m biko mere m ebere.
Super Commando.
Biko nna m. Biko. Biko. I greet you all. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for all the love. Everybody, charity hala abokeshi.
I swear.
Charity m ga by otu m shi na-ekpe ekpere si Chineke. Achọrọ m charity ọbụla m ga-eme. Achọdọ m ịbịa si paste account so atụwa ego. Ekpere m osi Chineke gọzie m. I want to use utam jijiri lock and na. Ihe lock and mere na nna m kwụrụ ụgwọ. Utam chishi na akpa m mee ya plus support ndị mmadụ but enwegodi nke m shi na akpa m fopụta. Adia.
We'll run am today now.
So you choke, gị hụnụ smile and love. Ekpere m here wo mmadụ dem from this page sim Skibo. I need help. Mejiri ego m help oge without posting you online. That is my prayer. Say God bless me. God bless me. If somebody should write me from this page, Skibo, I need social help. Man say get pest account. I will be a post to work online. That is my prayer. I am just singing a man again move. I have a dream where I'm going to. And when I'm goal, I am coming and give me more here. So no envy. And when you can go good, Skibo will say no, they do charity. People love me. You can't stop the love. Yo wutelegi. Regime gi. Ohama ogula. Yo wutelegi.
You never tell them say you no go do. No, you know they do it in them once.
I don't tell you before. Na me open man say I know they do am. Because they reach out to me, I tell them say I know they do am. Then begin verse. They begin drag me online. So Skibo say no go do charity. My prayer is charity mgeme. Let me do it from my pocket. Oh, Chineke gozie m utanka ọ ga-adị. Na so he go be. So ụmụnne m, I thank you all. Onye aso need bag of flour. Onye adere ugba na only need bag of flour. At least m ga-eme link a bag of flour. Pata na 30 boy 40 boy ga solve lia demo ọkwa true na ọkwa bag of flour ejikwala ego m aṅụ ahịa
Bag of flour na ebe ka ị ga-check page ahụ
ị ga zim page gị dị ị na-eme say you dey do all this bakery something ma marakwa cause onye na-need no flour ị ga na-eme n'ihe flour kwa ị ga anacha m ego flour ga ebe nwe ihe anwụrụ So onye aso need a bag of flour. There is number not there. There number hozi. Let me assist you. I can do that one. So God bless you all. God bless you. Charity ebido be dia na apokeshi. Let's mono brumo. unless unu gburu mụ. Unless unu gburu mụ. But as far as na m ka na-ebriti lekwa oche m nga m na-eburula oche nọrọ enokwa enwe ke si page 1.5 million na akọọla ya why eji akụ page gị na-eme na ọfụma na akụ page gị la arọba no US gala shoot ezigbo content gala shoot ezigbo even no US webi say me nwene ihe ọzọ ya monetize one page nana zena anya wa 20%.
The same one on Facebook emele some agadi na agbozi ofu. Some agadi na agbozi ofu.
On God. God bless you all. I will see you guys soon. Okay? I love you all. And don't stop doing good. Do not stop doing good. Be kind to people. Never listen to gossip. Okay? Onyela de hova de hola akwa. Hosro he amulelu amulala. Adike he la amuda. Tell them I said so. So we move. Zion, we move.